right now. Adrian brought us his Mustang, so we're going to be doing a header install. He's got the headers in the back, so let's go look at those. Alright, Texas Speed long tube headers. So we're going to see what they look like right now. Let's unbox these. Got the carbon fiber. Looking clean. Coyote batch. Nice. Nice touches to the car. Let's check out what's in the box. Alright, so I took off all the bubble wrap. That's what the long tubes look like. So, like some nice fucking long tubes. Man, this thing's gonna sound really good. Comes with the gaskets, the bands to put those on. So let's see how tough this job is to do. What's up, fool? What do you have to say to the YouTube world?
Let me hold it.
You don't have anything good to say. Alright, I'm taking off this
guys.
video.
Ladies and gentlemen, today we're here at Nike Car Care Center, 3956 State Street, 93105. We're working on this great here, 2020.
I don't work at fucking Meineke, bro.
Oh.
What the fuck is this shit?
He doesn't work at Meineke, bro.
I just fucking rent the spot, alright? I'm working on this. We're doing a header install. Meineke can't do this shit, so we're taking care of it.
Alright. Back to what I was saying though, you know, as you said, we can't figure this shit out. We can, bro, but fuck this place. You know? Anyways, working on this great 10-speed here, you know? Check this shit out. Shit will walk your mom's car, walk your dad's car, your stepdad's shit. Fuck your car, bro. Mustang, Mustang, Mustang. Motherfucker. How do I turn this off, bro?
Oh, hey, where's the off button? Ah, this guy was a Mopar guy.
Yeah, now he's all up on Mustang.
Hey, where's the tape?
Mustang Monday, baby.
Oh yeah, so through the top, you just take off the air filter, the air intake, whatever you want to call this thing, the air box. And then you can get to the front bolt. And Miggy, what are you doing over there? You're getting the other ball on the flange?
Haciéndome güey por right now, but I'm trying to fucking find tape.
Siempre se está haciendo güey.
Gotta take the ball for the fan.
But somehow, the job still gets done.
With half the time that it calls for. Hey, Loquito, I need the tape.
What tape are you looking for?
Diego has some horizontal to the
Why do you need electrical tape?
Because it's fucking extensions keep fucking coming apart.
Oh.
Yeah, you know what would be better in here?
What?
The EcoBoost.
Nah, bro, V8.
The shit we do, you know? Gotta make it work somehow.
Sorry, Adrian. Trust me, I don't have a bunch of clowns working on your car, bro. It's just me and Miggy.
These guys are here just for moral support, bro, because we're parts runners. A ver, güey. Ponte, güey, porque...
Extensión after extension after extension.
Right there.
Alright, so I forgot to record that part, but the first one's out. This one's a little bit harder. We still need to take some of the bolts out, so we're gonna figure out how to do that right now. We got the first one in here. It's partially bolted on. Didn't have to drop the subframe or anything, so hopefully we don't have to mess with it and get it back out to get this one in. I think we might have got a little bit ahead of ourselves, but we'll see right now. What do you think, bro? Well guys, after a whole lot of sweat and struggling, look at Miguel. He finally got it out. Never again?
Never again.
Never again, he says. Only Chevys.
Only Chevy.
Only Chevys. This was a pain in the ass, but we're getting it done. Alright, so this is the passenger side. Passenger side floor. Come on, man.
It depends on the way you're looking at it, fool.
I think the exhaust fumes are getting to you.
It depends on the way you're looking at it.
Hey man, watch my toes. I already smashed my toe twice this week. I don't have steel toe boots, man. They're at my house. Also, I'm in sweats and a t-shirt, bro. Like, come on, dude. Come on, man. These are not approved. Also, these are not California legal, bro. Let me see the carb sticker.
I got you.
Whoa. No one needs to know, man.
Whoa. We'll cut that part out.
Oh, yeah. Oh,
Whoa. You're gonna break your tools, bro.
Dude, that was close, man. I almost cried.
Damn, fool, who you writing love stories to? Estás poniendo el gasket. Woo!
Oh,
Bless you.
you bless.
I'm about to put the other side to this, dude. Huh? Oh, I hit the weld disc? No. Clamp. Asshole.
Clamped, bro.
Jackass, motherfucker.
6 hours later.
You want to do a tag team kind of?
Yeah, blame the fucking
Blame the
non-resident.
Blame the citizens, so the residents are in trouble.
Oh, gotta struggle getting in here first.
Come on, man.
Rev the cold engine.